Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Audi Q3 versus the Ford Kuga. We'll dive into their core differences, starting with how they perform on the road. Then, we'll explore their interiors, focusing on comfort and technology. Finally, we'll assess their practicality, including cargo capacity and overall value. This comparison will help you decide which SUV best fits your lifestyle and needs. When it comes to performance, the Audi Q3 delivers a sophisticated driving experience, prioritizing comfort and quietness. Its engines are smooth and efficient. The Ford Kuga, on the other hand, often feels more agile and responsive, making it enjoyable on winding roads. Both offer a range of engines, with some powerful options providing over 200 horsepower for confident acceleration. Inside, the Audi Q3 boasts a luxurious cabin with high-quality materials and cutting-edge infotainment systems, creating a premium feel. The Ford Kuga focuses on practicality, offering clever storage solutions and intuitive controls that are easy to use daily. Both SUVs comfortably accommodate 5 passengers, making them suitable for families or those needing extra space for friends. Considering value, the Audi Q3 generally commands a higher price, reflecting its premium branding and features. The Ford Kuga often presents a more budget-friendly option without compromising on essential qualities. Both vehicles excel in safety, consistently earning top ratings in independent crash tests, providing peace of mind. Before you go, check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.